Welcome back to Quiz Battle. Get ready for 50 amazing fun facts that will surprise, shock, and entertain you. Some will blow your mind, and others will make you say, "No way." Let's start. Wearing headphones for just an hour could increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times. A crocodile cannot stick its tongue out. There are 293 ways to make change for $1. Rubber bands last longer when refrigerated. If you sneeze too hard, you could fracture a rib. The sixth sheep sick is believed to be the toughest tongue twister in the English language. A shark is the only known fish that can blink with both eyes. Almonds are a member of the peach family. It is impossible for most people to lick their own elbow. Try it. It is physically impossible for pigs to look up into the sky. A shrimp's heart is in its head. Dreamt is the only English word that ends in the letters MT. Cat urine glows under a black light. Like fingerprints, everyone's tongue print is different. There are only 4 words in the English language which end in "dose": tremendous, horrendous, stupendous, and hazardous. Los Angeles's full name is El Pueblo de Nuestra Sonora La Reina de Los Angeles, de Porciuncula. A cat has 32 muscles in each ear. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. Tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur. Elephants have better memories than most living things. A dime has 118 ridges around the edge. The giant squid has the largest eyes in the world. Over 60% of the world's lakes are located in Canada. Stewardesses is the longest word that is typed with only the left hand. Dolphins have names for each other. Dolphins use a unique whistle to identify each other, and will respond when they hear their own name. The dot over the lowercase I and j is called a tittle. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Honey never spoils, it can last thousands of years. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller in summer due to heat expansion. Jonathan, a 192-year-old tortoise, is the oldest living land animal on Earth. Water can boil and freeze at the same time in a process called the triple point. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. The shortest war in history lasted 38 to 45 minutes, Anglo-Zanzibar War. There's a species of jellyfish that can live forever. Penguins propose to their mates with a pebble. An ant can survive a fall from any height. There's a McDonald's in every continent except Antarctica. Cows have best friends and get stressed when separated. A cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. The word alphabet comes from the first 2 Greek letters, alpha and beta. Cows have nearly 360-degree vision. A single spaghetti noodle is called a spaghetto. An octopus can squeeze through a hole the size of a coin. Koalas have fingerprints that are almost identical to humans. Rabbits can't vomit. A bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the sun. Giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans, just longer.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates.